Hello children, welcome to today's class. Today's subject is computer, lesson number 6, formatting with MS Word. Yes, in our previous class, we learned to edit in MS Word, right? Yes, even we know how to open the MS Word also. Yes, in today's class, we are going to learn formatting text, font, and align text, adding bullets and numbering to our text, to highlight the text and giving effects to the text. Okay children? Okay? Yeah. Shall we start the lesson? Today's lesson, okay? So, now I am going to enter some words here, okay? Formatting text, font, next align, aligning text, bullets, and numberings, highlighting text, then giving effects to the text, giving effects to the text. Okay children? Yes. First, what is formatting? Formatting means a document make it look organized, professional and presentable. This is called formatting. It highlights the important feature of your document. Okay children? In this formatting, we can use font types, colors, size, bullets and text aligns. You can highlight the text or write in it italics or in bold. Formatting text, the tools that help you format a document or present in the font group. Whatever we need to change to the text, it all consists in the font group. See, look at the cursor, mouse cursor children. Yes, this is font group. In this font group, this is font style. This one is font size. This is bold, italic, then underline, then strike through, subscript, superscript, grow font, shrink font. This is case, change case. Okay, then color, then highlight, then text border or text effects, then remove the formatting. So everything consists in the font group. In home option, font group. Just see, I'll show you how to format your text. Okay children? Yes. Now first we will start to change the font type. Means now it is in Calibri body. Okay. Now just next to that name, it has some downwards arrow mark, triangle. Just click on that. Yes, we will get more font styles listed here. Okay, which one do you like to give that one? You can select that one. Before changing anything or editing in your Word, first select which. Select the word or any sentence or image or paragraph. Then change the things. Okay. See, can you see the changes on the screen? Yes. Can you observe children? Yeah. This is the method to change the font style. Okay. I'll select this one. Okay, this is the method to change the font type. First, select the word or sentence or paragraph, then go to font group. In that, select font style. Okay children. Next, font size. Can you see here? Yes, now I typed right. That is in the 26 size. Now I am going to change the size of my text. I can reduce it or I can increase it. Yes, we can change the font size also. What we desire, we can change it. Okay children. Yes. Next, see. Yes, if you want to change anything, first select the text. Okay. Next, making the font bold, italic and underline. See, it is in normal state now. Okay, I need to make it bold, means darker. Yes, in font group it has some option bold. Even we can use the keyboard Ctrl+B also. Okay, can you see the changes? Can you observe it? Yes, this is the change of bold. Italic means the word little slanty. See the changes there? Yes, I'll show you now. Clear? Okay, can you see the changes children? Yes, this is the italic option. Then you need to give underline. Just select which word you want to give underline or any sentences. Okay, go to font group only, give underline, or you need to change the underline styles. Next, the underline, just click on that arrow mark or triangle, downwards triangle. Yes, it shows more underlines. Even we can change the color of the underline also. Can you see the changes on the screen children? Yes, we can give any kind of underline for that one. Yeah, is it clear children? Yes, shortcut keys to bold, Ctrl+B, to italic, Ctrl+I, to underline, Ctrl+U in the keyboard. Okay. Next, changing the font color. Yes, now it is in which color children? It is in black, right? I need to change the font color for my text or my document. Go to the font group only. In this, click on the arrow mark. Yes, here we have theme colors and standard colors. Even we have more colors also. See, we can select more colors. Which one we would like to give the text. Then click on OK. The text color will change, right? Yes, we can change the color of text. Even we can use gradient, means the texture of the image or text. Okay, we can change the color of text. For changing color of text, first select the letter or word or paragraph or any sentence. Then go to font group. In that, select change color. Okay, you can give any color to your text in your document. This is the method to change the color. Then alignment. Yes, now it is in the right side, right? Yes, see, in the paragraph group we have alignment option. First, select the word or text. Now it is in the right. If you want to in the middle, center of the page, give a center align. Next, yes, we can change the alignment. So now it is in right, this is center, this is left side of the page. Yes, this is align left align center, align right. This is justify. Justify means it gives in a perfect place. Okay. This makes the text align on the both side, means middle. See, yeah. We can align the text also. Where we can place it easily through this alignment options. Okay, children. Yes. For align, first select the text, then select the align in the paragraph group. Okay. Left align or center or right align. Okay. Next, bullets and numberings. Now I am keep it in left. So now I am listed some points, right? Something is missing in my text. So for that I am going to give some more effects to that. Means bullets. In the paragraph group we have bullets option. In this we can give bulletins. Yes, it makes our document more effective, more presentable also. Right, children? Yes. In the paragraph group, bullets. Select which one, which type of bulletin you want. Even we can give it. See? Yes. Can you see the bulletins? Yes, we can change whatever we want. Or else you need to give number list for your document. If any something you need to list 1, 2, 3. You can give the number list also. That is called numbering. In page group on paragraph group only. Go to numbering library. In this select which kind of numbering you want. Roman or ABCD or capital or 1, 2, 3 with bracket or full stop. You can select which kind of numbering do you want. Okay, children? Yes. Now if you want to highlight your text, highlighting the text, go to first select the word which you want to highlight in your document. Okay. Then go to highlight option in the color. Already I shown you, right? Yes, this is highlight text, highlight color. In this, select that downward triangle, click on that, then select the color to highlight. Can you see the changes in the document? Yes, this is the method to make the text or word or any sentence to highlight in our document. Then giving effects means we can make bigger or smaller our text. Just select any text or word in your document. Yes, we have font grow here, right? Means it make the text bigger. By clicking on that, we can make our text bigger. If you want to make it shrink, just next to that, click on shrink font. See, can you see the changes? Yes, we can make it big or small. This is the effects of MS Word. Okay. Next, if you want to change the wording, change the cases. If you want to change any cases, just look at in font group. Yes, here we have change case, big A and small a. Yes, click on that. It shows some sub menus: sentence case, lower case, upper case, capitalize each word or toggle case. Okay, sentence case means it shows in normal. Lower case means it make everything in small letter. Upper case means it make everything in big letter, capital letters. Okay, then capitalize each word means it make the word, yes, capital only. Next, toggle case means it makes the word with the capital and small letter, even capital and small letter. So I'll give sentence case only. Okay children. Yes, these are the effects to give our text. Okay. If you want to grow your text, we can select grow font, or if you want to shrink it, shrink font. If you want to change the case, we can select change case, or if you want to remove the font or clear formatting, go to clear formatting option. Yes, this is cleared. Whatever we changed to our text, it cleared all formatting things. Okay children. If you want to make it again, give undo. Okay, it will be come back your backward. Yes, this is the today's lesson children. Formatting text, font, aligning text, bullets and numberings, highlighting text, giving effects to the text. This is today's lesson. Watch the video properly, and if you have system at your home, practice once at your home or not. Just read the lesson in your textbook. Okay children, just practice these steps properly, watching repeatedly. Okay children, thank you. We will meet in the next class children.